Thanks for your help, guys. I managed to actually pick this here, look. It's a Tommy Welch or something like that there. And there's the keyboard, and it's only like a couple, wee discs. So I'm gonna try and attempt to pick this on camera. Sorry about the camera quality, but yeah, I'll see what I can do. Let's take this apart. It's just a wee bit awkward with the camera in front of me. There you go. Picked. Thank you very much, guys. Well appreciated. What I had to do was file down my tip a wee bit more. File it down, give it a wee bit of an oval shape on the wee ends there. Apart from that, it works grand. Thank you very much. Appreciate it, guys.